Oh dear. Squish. Okay guys, I'm going to title this video, Oh Dear. As you can see, a deer decided to commit suicide in front of the old two-wheel drive the other day. So, while you're used to seeing pulling videos, and you're going to continue to see those, I thought maybe we'd do a video on how to rebuild the front end of a second-gen Dodge Cummins truck, because that's what we're going to get to do. Outside of the front bumper and grille, it bent the tabs, as you'll see in the video, of the intercooler, pushed the radiator back into the fan, so it's trash, broke the radiator fan shroud, bent the fan a little bit, messed up the AC condenser tranny cooler as well, and most notably to State Farm, the insurance company, deployed the airbag. If you ever wonder, does a 27-year-old airbag still pack a punch? It does. When a deer hits right in the middle, it will deploy the airbag. Fun times. So I'm busy fighting with the insurance company because all they want to do is total the truck, even though I actually drove it home after the accident. Oh, did get the light too. But didn't get into the fender, didn't get into the hood, so we're fortunate there. So we are going to do some videos. I already have a lot of parts ordered for the truck. Not going to change a lot, but we're going to change a few things as we put it back together. I have several things ordered for it, so we will kind of do a before and after on getting this thing all blown apart, see what the damage is, make sure that I have enough parts ordered to cover it, and then get the whole truck put back together. So not how I wanted my day to go. This was a couple weeks ago. I've just kind of been too sad to dive into it. We've got a lot to do. I cut the airbag loose after it deployed, but yeah, it was fun. Put a little bruise on my arm. But anyway, because of the insurance company, all they simply ask is how old was it, how many miles was on it, and did the airbag deploy? And of course, once they heard it was 27 years old, they heard that it had 253,000 miles, and that the airbag deployed, they do not really care about the condition. We tried everything, but to this point, all they want to do is total it, which obviously, even if they do that, I'm buying it back because this is my baby and we're going to fix it. And I mean, it's still running and driving, just a little low on coolant. But it drove me home, didn't get hot, nothing like that. So anyway, stick around as we rebuild the front end and the airbag of a second-gen Dodge. Update. Remove the grill, and it does appear that this bracket is usable, so that saves a little bit of money. Intercooler was able to heat up and straighten the tabs. Haven't pressure checked it, but I believe it's going to be all right. Tranny cooler technically doesn't leak, although I don't know how it doesn't. Probably will still replace that. AC condenser is junk. We took it loose. Probably will just take the AC off the truck since it discharged the system. And of course got the front bumper off and the brackets separate, which the brackets in the front corners of the frame seem to be okay. So we're getting there. Time to get a radiator and then get some new parts. I'd love to find a way to put the tranny cooler inside here, but we'll see. Stay tuned. couple months in the making, but we fought with the insurance company and was able to keep the truck from being totaled, thankfully. And now it's done, it's finished, it's back, it's better than ever. It's back on the road. See, we deleted the AC and I snuck the tranny cooler in behind there. So now this was the view I was going for. Right there. Non-obstructed, nothing in front of the intercooler. I think it makes it look kind of cool. Thankfully, not total. She'll live to fight another deer. New black headlights, all new front bumper assembly, including the plastics upper and lower, new chrome grille, and it came with this black mesh, which I kind of like. It's like the factory, only it's black. So what I did was then, to kind of match it down here, down below, I didn't get the gray insert that goes in there. Instead, I took some of the factory mesh out of my old grille, the part that wasn't broken, and cut it to fit in here, and then painted it black to match. Kind of gives it a little bit of a custom look, and then we added fog lights so that maybe next time we can see the deer instead of hitting the deer. Believe it or not, we were able to reuse the bug shield, so the old man bug shield lives on. Did not get into any of the metal, which is amazing. Did take the opportunity to add some tow mirrors, and we added the black taillights as well from eBay, just to kind of go with a black light theme. And then underneath the hood, we did a air conditioner delete because it unfortunately did wipe out my AC, and this truck doesn't go out and I don't need that much, so I got rid of that, and I wanted to get rid of the AC condenser, and then I put the trans cooler in behind, as you saw. She's all done. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more content.